Okay, you are welcome. Welcome to mode 4. In this mode 4, I want to look at our scope of works, how the works is going to flow, the steps. Number 1, we have theme selection, first plugin installation, page/post creation, and other ones. Now I begin this work with theme selection. Okay, so let's move straight for theme selection to the first work. My WordPress dashboard now is open. So what do I do? And then go to appearance and then look for theme. And this is the first thing that you're supposed to do after installing your WordPress. Okay, as you are building the website, you need to start installing your theme. Your theme is the first work that you should do. Now look, I will have 3 themes here: the first theme, second theme, and the third theme. And I don't like these 3 themes, so I feel like to put a new theme that I prefer to use. So what I'll do, I'll go over here, say add new. Okay, and then below on this dashboard, if I'm connected online, WordPress dashboard automatically give you theme, available theme. Look at WordPress themes here. The reason why you see these themes showing here is because I am connected online, and if I'm not connected online, you will not see these themes appearing here. So on the WordPress installation, WordPress provide you themes as you go online inside your WordPress dashboard building. Okay, so it's left for you now to select the particular theme that you want. And where are these themes coming from? These themes are from WordPress.org website here. .org website. This is where these themes are. These themes you see here, all over here, they are from this place. Okay, they come from here. Now, so if you go here, you click themes, you see them here as well. Okay, you have the themes here. Look at the themes here exactly, and all of them here. Okay, now, so the reason why I have them is because I am connected online, and if I'm not connected online, I will download these themes on my own. Look, I can download them. Since I'm using a local host, I'm not going to be connected online, so what I do is I download them. Okay, after downloading them, I will now upload them. So on my own case, already I have downloaded them 3 themes I want to use. I look at the 3 themes here: Astra, Consulting, and 2011 themes. Okay, so what I have to do now is to upload them and inside my WordPress site. What is what am I trying to teach you? I'm teaching you that you can install theme direct from the WordPress website. Okay, or you can download a theme and upload that particular theme into your website as you are developing. So I am following the method of uploading, and since I am building on a local host, then I decided to choose the particular theme I want to use. I click this and open, then say install. Now installation started going on. Okay, installing theme from uploaded file. Okay, so activating theme. If I want to activate the theme, okay, now let me go back to my theme and look about this theme that I just installed now. The theme that I just uploaded. Okay, and run the installation. Let me see how the theme look like at the theme. So look at the theme here. Okay, so with this method now, I'm going to install all the themes I downloaded. Then after installing them, I will now make selection on the right one to use. Thank you. So what I decided to teach you right now is theme selection and installation. Thank you very much.